Hello there, my friends. All right, I am recording right now using my built-in webcam that's on this Asus gaming laptop. And you can see it's low light conditions. I have two lamps that are on two table lamps here, and that's it. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch over to this brand new webcam that I bought. And it is a Logitech 922, not the 922X, just the 922. So note how blurry my hand is. Note how like that picture looks behind me. Note what happens when I hold this up. Okay, actually that turned out pretty good. We'll have to go back here. All right, so now I'm going to switch cameras. Wow, like what a difference. Okay, you don't have all that red noise in the background, right? You can see like my face more clearly. You can see that I actually shaved. You can see details in this painting back here. You can see the letters here are pretty good. You can see it's auto-focusing too. See how it auto-focused right there? It's trying to read the print. You can see my hand's blurry, but it's not crazy like the other one, which was just like. So movement's better. And actually, here, I'll reduce the lighting a little bit. It's having trouble focusing. That's interesting to know. Okay. Okay. So the camera did get into focus. So that's pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and we'll switch back to the built-in camera on the laptop. Oh, look, it's just full of blue noise. It's just, you know, this is primitive. I mean, this is like, it's 1999. You got your first digital camera. Crazy. So back to the Pro. All right, so, and it is the 922 Pro. It's not the 922X. All right, I'm going to turn out that other light source. So now the only light source is behind me. And you can still see the reflection in my sunglasses. This will be interesting. Let's look at the built-in camera. This is, right now, you're still looking at the 922. Okay, built-in camera. Man, it just has like a halo like around me. This is nothing going on. This is just terrible. You don't even know that like you can't even tell my face is there. So interesting. All right, so that's a pretty good test of this webcam, because what I did buy it for was so that I could do my podcast, my talk show, my interview show in the evenings. Because I usually do them when there's ambient natural light. But tomorrow night I have a friend who's going to be on the show, and we're going to do this at 9 o'clock at night. So there's not going to be any ambient light. So I'm going to have to light it myself. Instead of buying a whole bunch of different lights, try to get them to work with the camera, I thought I'd start with like a decent camera. So it looks like this Logitech Pro 922 is going to do the trick. And people are asking, why did I buy the 922 instead of the 920? Because the 920 is supremely popular. It's been around a while. A couple things. I read in the reviews that the autofocus, like the correction, the color correction, that sort of thing, is much better on the 922. And also, the 922 has a format that the 920 does not, apparently, which is it will shoot in 720p, albeit but 600 frames per second, or 60 frames per second, as opposed to the 920, which does not shoot, apparently, according to this review, at 60 frames per second. Correct me if I'm wrong about that. Maybe there's some software update or firmware update where now the 920 does that, but it was my understanding it didn't. And this records in 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is the setting it's on right now. So the reason you might want to have the 60 frames per second is apparently if you're streaming, say, a game, and you're going to have your picture in a box in the corner, and you're going to have the game up here, or split screen, or whatever you're going to do, the frame rate will be a match. So the frame rate will actually be 60 frames per second in both, because apparently the eye is really good at telling when there's discrepancy. So if you have 60 frames here and 30 frames here, there's going to be a lag. There's going to be something off, so the eye's going to catch it. So that's my review. Just a little demonstration so far. I don't know all the things, all the details that are go into this webcam because I just got it, but this looks like it's going to work. So this was a proof of concept, actually proof of application. All right, thanks for helping me. If you want to help me, smash like. That really helps me. And if you want to see more videos, or if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. Have a nice day. See if you can do something nice for somebody without getting caught. Take care.